everyone, it's Nat. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is okay. I'm very well. I'm very excited today because I'm gonna share a new deck I just got with you guys, and I'm very excited about this one. I'm just in love with the artwork of this artist, and oh my god, I've been waiting for 2 days now to open this deck. So now it's the time and we're gonna do it together. So I hope you're ready. I wanted to show you the envelope because she put stickers on it. Her name is Julie, but we call her Jules. So brief divinatory guide based on the word mythology of gratitude and the good things to come. I like that so much. And another one inspired by the ancestors and the ones to come. Yeah, so this is the second time I'm trying to do this unboxing video. I had a problem with my phone. It was recording backwards. I don't know why, because it was working everywhere in the house except in my office. So this was weird. Now it's working, so we're gonna try to do that. So as you can see, I already tried to open the blister, and we're gonna discover together this beautiful deck. But first I'm gonna show you something, because I saw it before when I was doing the first unboxing, but I haven't seen anything yet, so it's a real unboxing. She sent this to me. This is so beautiful. A beautiful mermaid. Angel, thank you so much for your order. Merci. Huh, that's French. Jules, Fountain of Trabazon. So this is such a beautiful deck. I saw the images of this deck, 56 cards for wisdom and gratitude. The Fountain of Trabazon, an oracle deck by Julie Pepper. Second edition. I missed the first one. And I'm so happy I got this deck. This deck is perfect for helping you listen to your inner wisdom, figuring out where you are in life and where you want to go. That's exactly what I need right now. So I'm sure I'm gonna love this deck. So it comes in a tuck box like that, but it's kind of sturdy, I think. Perfect. So I'm very surprised because I don't know why I thought the cards were much smaller than that, and I'm so happy they're big. I'm so freaking happy. So this is amazing. Amazing. To use the deck, oh, we have a little word over here. First, center yourself with some cleansing breath. Light a candle if you wish. You are creating sacred space. Consider the things that you might want guidance on. For a past, present and future spread, shuffle the cards and choose 3 from the deck. For a north, south, east, west spread, shuffle the cards and choose 4 cards from the deck. And you have a few questions for each, you know. For north, what is your true north? Where is the love? For the south, what healing needs to happen? Do you have peace? This is amazing. I really love that. So this is a very beautiful illustration on the box. So 56 beautiful cards. It comes with a guidebook. Divinatory guide, a small one. So we're gonna just have a look inside. So you have the cards, number, you have the name, keyword, and a few words for each of them. I think there's no number or titles or anything on the cards, and no borders, so I'm very happy. This is so beautiful. Okay, so I don't want to show you too much of the guidebook because we're gonna watch, see the cards. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. So first, quality is just amazing, guys. They're glossy, beautiful. See, they have a number on it. I thought they didn't have number. Maybe it was on the first edition. So you have number over here, no borders, and you have a thin white border on the back, but it's okay because it's okay with the illustration, you know. I like that. I like it this way. So we're gonna just have a look, and we're gonna maybe have the guidebook near so that I can tell you what is it about. So the first one is Koto Drummer, Rhythm. Speak your truth. It will be known far and wide. Can you feel freely? Oh man, this is great. Number 2 is Source, Red Turtle. This is beautiful. Fancy Dancer, Native, Blue Fairy, Mary and Child, Buffalo Wemoon. And I'm gonna just show you the cards now because they're so beautiful. Look at that. It's a very feminine deck, kind of shamanic, you know, and very, very beautiful. I like the sturdiness of the cards. I like the paper, and of course I love the images. They're so beautiful. So I won't show you the whole thing as it's an unboxing video, but I wanted to share this deck with you because I think it's very special, and I'm sure that some of you are gonna like this deck, and maybe you would like to buy this deck. So I'm gonna put all the links down below so that you can go and check her website or Etsy shop if you wish. And I hope you're not disturbed by the light, because I have a light in front of me, and I hope it's okay for you guys. Oh my god, those two are so beautiful. This is an amazing deck, beautiful, gorgeous. I love the colors. I love everything about this deck. It has a powerful energy, you know. I'm sure it's amazing for inner work and for guidance and meditation, and you know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this one. I'm sure about that. I was so excited to wait for this deck. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. Pretty. Amazing. Amazing. Beautiful. So big cards. They're bigger than tarot cards. And yeah, sturdy and good quality. Some of the images, for example, this one looks like a bit blurry, but it's okay, you know. It's like, yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, I love the energy of this deck. Really, it's perfect to me. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I'm very happy I was able to share this deck with you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and well, I will talk to you soon in another one. So you guys take care. Bye bye.